This is the Haven. Literally just come in, come upstairs, check in, TSA, and that. This is the check-in booth, and then there's the ship. Literally, I walk down there and I'm on the boat. Hi guys, this is Haven 14178 on deck 14. Key card entry in. This is a nice spacious room. It's the Penthouse Suite. Alright guys, this is the first snack tray in the Haven. It looks like to the left I got a hard-boiled egg. And then looks like some pretzel bites and maybe a little bit of cheese. Looks like tomato and cheese. I think it's mozzarella. A little piece of, it's either meat. Yeah, that's meat. And it looks like an olive and a grape. Looks good. Hi guys, it's me again, Bubbles and Biscuits, Amazon affiliate, and I'm sponsoring, of course. So, another item when I go on any cruise, and every cruise, I bring this with me. I am a plus size person and I run hot, okay? When I'm hot, I'm miserable. No happy camper. So, what I bring with me everywhere I go is a neck fan. This neck fan is pretty great, okay? So this is all around your neck. When you put it on, pretty much looks like headphones, but it's not headphones. And it also has a fan on the insides as well, so here and here. The breeze is great. It lasts for about 8+ hours, honestly, even on speed 3. From my usage, I really only use low. But just so you can see what kind of breeze we're talking about you get just from the back of the neck, and ladies with wigs, this is essential. So I'm going to show you the actual way, like the airflow on this. So here we got a wig. You can see some hairs moving. This is just level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. You can hear it, but you can see the hair move. It is a breeze, y'all. It is a breeze. Very light, easy to charge. It's a C cable charge, so pretty much you already have the charger. And I take this thing everywhere. It just doesn't fall off. If you bend over or whatever, it just doesn't, like tip. It's very friendly for your neck. It does not actually get hot around your neck either. Now, for ladies with the hair, preferably put your hair up. It is a fan. Don't be crazy. But I mean, with a wig, I'm telling you folks, this saves my life. When I'm wearing a wig or I got crochets, I'm telling you, the back of my neck, underneath that wig, whew, so hot. This helps a lot, all right? Put your hair up and let the breeze flow, folks. Go check out the link below. Thanks, y'all. Take care. Bye.